Well, AJ, if the core technology works, as you argue, where does rollout most often break down in practice today? Is it integration into existing lines? Is it lack of usable data, unclear ownership in the plant, or missing capabilities in the teams? What would you say?
Yeah, it's a little bit of everything. I mean, the first thing I'd say is we agree with Andreas. For some of the largest, more mature players that have been working on AI, there's really at least two big categories, right? I would say the first is really the lack of high quality data. So that's the first problem. And then two, again, it's getting enough of these users involved early enough in the process, right? Because you don't want this over reliance on a few data scientists. So again, kudos to Audi for being one of the leaders. I think there's another category though of manufacturers as well. Maybe those that are smaller players or people that aren't as far along. And to them, I would say the thing that holds them back is that it's simply not obvious to them kind of how AI or where AI can help them, which use cases they should focus on, where they should deploy it, what makes sense. So that's how I would characterize it.